It's beautiful.
It is gorgeous, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Very warm. Is it like 24 out there?
Yeah.
Out here?
Super.
Jeez.
Lovely food.
I mean, that wasn't even that steep, and
Quite steep, yeah.
it was quite warm.
Steep and warm. Lovely view.
All I want now is just rain. God, it's too warm. That's what I say. Apparently, this is the M42. My God! Wow. Wow. Look at that. Having too much fun, are you? Can't hear me. Having too much fun? He is so loud. Wow!
Wow, wow.
You can definitely see where the sound travels, doesn't it?
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Ah, now you can see the which mould and you can see the Malverns.
Even better. Malverns are just over there, Hubert. Yeah, and it's the hills up there. That's the Malvern Hills.
Oh, those ones are down
Yeah,
there.
those.
Okay.
So that big hill up there is Malvern.
Oh, is that mountain?
Yeah, that's what Phil was just saying to me, and the group.
The village of town.
I think it's
Small town.
it must be like a town or or village. God damn it, my laces are getting undone again. We've already been on the walk for like an hour and my trainers are, well, my boots are already starting to loosen itself again. God damn it, man! It's a bit ironic that it was supposed to rain today, but hasn't done anything. I don't think it's Met Office's fault. I think maybe it is over there.
Yeah.
But to be fair, the last I checked, there was a huge cloud coming over. It was quite big actually. It was quite it looked like a swirly cloud where all the rain was coming in. But it must have like got swept up. Yeah, they've changed it. If you look down it should have like details. Oh, you're looking in Birmingham, that's why. If you look, Birmingham's different. It's talking about the city, not the region. Yeah. Yeah. Still, it's saying 40% rain. That's a big thing, you know.
It's only precipitation anyway.
Yeah.
So it's probably gonna be behind us.
Yeah. Beautiful cattle down there, isn't it? Beautiful cattle. They've got calves down there as well. I'm counting 5. There's about 5 of them. Looks like the whole herd is chilling out. That's sweet.
17.
Hey?
17 of the calves.
Yeah. That one with the big horns, he must be like the one who's standing up. That must be, could be a male. Actually no, that looks like a female.
No, oh, female.
Yeah, they look all, like they're all females.
Yeah, they are.
Because there's udders. You can see them from down here.
Mm.
You can't see them on the camera, but you can definitely tell they're females, like just by looking at them.
Yeah, all females.
Yeah, there's definitely udders.
Mm.
It's crazy, isn't it? God. They are beautiful, aren't they? Do you have like cattle on your land?
I have they're different.
Yeah, obviously. They're like buffalo, aren't they? A bit different.
Yeah, almost like buffalo, yeah. I've got over 60 now.
Nice. It must cost a lot to do things like that.
Normally, the female ones, they give you one.
No, I mean like, I meant by cost.
One calf every year.
No, I mean, I was saying by cost. Like,
Oh, yeah,
by
of course,
money.
Of course. Right now, on average, could be $400-500 US, which is about £400-500
Wow.
in value.
That's
Then
crazy.
the value grows with the type of breed as well. There's some we can go as far as
Yeah.
beyond £1,000 to £3,000.
Wow. That's crazy.
Of course, goats.
That's crazy.
Yeah, from here.
Building. And they might have all sorts of other factory plans about what the building will look like. But it's crazy. So even on those new developments they've got now, could well be that in a few years' time, when the actual tunnels have been crossed over,
Hey, babies. It's okay. It's okay. Hello. Hello. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt you. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Hello.
You're curious, aren't you?
Yeah. Hello. Hello, sweetie. I know.
Could even be cheaper than being.
Yeah, but the difference is if you want half a dozen screws that size, you can have half a dozen screws that size.
Yeah.
If you're going to B&Q, you've got to buy 25
That's
or
right,
50
yeah.
or something.
And as I say, it's the best locksmith in the whole of Redditch. And if you've got a particular query about a key or it doesn't quite fit, take it back, refile it, all that kind of thing, you get such excellent service.
Yes.
And this loyalty card, it's amazing.
Most up, doesn't it, on that? Yeah.
Yeah.
And
None of
you
us
can just
waiting.
use it for spending, use it as payment. For the
Yeah,
next
yeah,
time you
yeah,
go shopping.
yeah.
Yeah, you haven't got
Also,
to,
it
Yeah.
counts as cash.
yes, you don't get a gift instead of it or something, or have to go online and get it through an app.
Yeah.
Yeah, very strange.
Well, thank you, Dad. You've been very useful.
It's quite close, huh?
Hmm?
It's quite close.
We're back.